Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you the hanging roll. Well, the hanging roll requires that you can hang, but if you have a place to hang, you should be hanging. Hanging is, well, it's great for your grip, it's great for your shoulders, it can be very good for your spine to get some decompression in your vertebrae, but you can also roll while you hang. And this, well, the reason you would do this is because it feels amazing. So the hanging roll is you hang, and what you're gonna do is it's like you're scissoring your legs, but you can just say take one leg, my right leg, your right leg, and you're just gonna reach really far back behind you. And that reach, especially if you really reach and push through your heel, whoo, you're gonna find some things. And then you relax that leg, and then you reach with the other leg, and it feels so good. And that's all you do. You're rolling in the air while you hang by reaching with your leg. Hopefully you have room to reach and you don't kick a bunch of stuff, but you push through your heel, and when you're pushing, you're gonna feel a lengthening through. So I'm pushing with my right leg right now. And so from my right hand to my right leg where I'm rotating, it just feels good. But this is a good way to rotate and decompress the spine while you strengthen your shoulders and put space in between your shoulders, in your shoulder joint, so that you can get nourishment in your shoulders while you strengthen your grip. Anyway, it is the hanging roll, and it feels good, and it does good things. But you do need to be able to hang to do it. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the hanging roll without hanging. So it's a roll. But if you don't have a place to hang, well, this still feels good if you do it the way I'm about to show you. So hold on, we're going to the floor. Okay, so the way we're gonna hang on the floor is, we're gonna get in that same hanging position. Arms overhead, like we're hanging, but we're not hanging. And we're gonna I'm gonna take the foot and I'm gonna scissor it back, or I'm just gonna reach back with my heel, pushing through my heel, but I'm also gonna reach forward with this arm as if I'm hanging on a bar. So I'm lengthening through this arm and lengthening back through that heel, and it feels very, very similar and also very good. And then you relax. So then you reach with the other and reach with this hand, and it just feels great. Feels great. It's a great way to lengthen your spine, get some rotation in there, but also kind of stretch out your fascia a little bit. And it's one of those things that feels good to feel good, and you don't know it feels good until you do it. But if you try this, I think you're gonna like it. So you can either do it hanging by a bar, or you can hang on the floor and just lengthen this hand as if you're hanging and push through this heel. And that's it, the hanging roll to feel also good. All right guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength. We'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.